Hello, this video is about how to make a video of your robot because you're going to have to upload your program once you write it, and you'll have to upload your video of your physical robot doing what you've asked it to do. So you can see I'm at this where I clicked on groups. I'm going to click on my group. Make sure you're in this curriculum, not this one, because this one won't make sense. The only reason I still have this one open is because we still have people building their robot. Once everyone's done building, I'll close it. So click, go to activity. Okay. And let's come down here. Let's say we're doing the mini challenge. So you've done the virtual one and you've got your green one there. Right here where it says program upload, that means you're going to need to go to your EV3 classroom and program, which is opening now. You're going to have to go to this. Click here, click new project, and you'll have your program here. And that's the program that you're going to upload here. I did another video on how to upload a program. We'll watch it together. It'll be great. But the video I'm currently making is showing you how to upload a video of the actual physical robot. So when you do a physical challenge or a challenge with a physical robot, you'll upload your program and a video of your robot doing the thing that you asked it to do. So how do I make a video with my computer? It's a little bit awkward, but it can be done. I did it this summer. So what I do is I go down here to this little search bar and I type in camera and it pops up. So I click on it. Hello. And over here to the side, you'll see I can take a picture of myself or I can take a video. So once you have it, this is the only way that the camera will look. Once you have it looking at you, you're going to want to find your robot. Okay. And sometimes you might want to set your camera back far enough that you can see the robot. You might want to find a place for your camera, etc. But let's go ahead and take a video. Now I'm taking a video and a video. Okay, so I'm going to click it. And so now it's taking the video and we're going to look at our robot and it's going to do something fantastic here. Everything we ever wanted it to do. And when we finish, we're going to click on that stop and you'll see that it's down here. Okay, it's in your camera roll. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to go down to this handy dandy folder. And let's see, I need to go to pictures and camera roll. Here's the video I just took. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename it. So if I right click on that and I go down to rename, I can rename it the mini or the 50 centimeter challenge. Okay, and then it's there in my camera roll right there. So I'm going to close that. When I come here to upload my video, I already uploaded a video, but you're going to click upload the video, go to browse, go to pictures, go to camera roll, and there's the video I'm going to upload. Okay, so please let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you in robotics.